This is Grant Kishnik, and I've got some big news. I tuned my C-string, like a big boy that I am, being 6 foot. So not too small a job, but I hope you enjoy my 127 to 142 Syncion test. Yeah, my cello's excited. It was moving, so yeah, I'm gonna do it now. So hope you enjoy. Yeah. Magic. Come here, Bobby. You don't run away, Mr. Metronome. You don't run away. I'm not that scary.